This video shows you how to assemble the optional stand for your SawStop compact table saw and how to mount the saw on the stand. The stand is mostly assembled from the factory. You only need to attach the lower legs to complete the assembly. Note that printed instructions are on the box. Lift the assembly package from the box. The lower legs and hardware are located in the sides of the styrofoam. Insert a lower leg into an upper leg. The lower legs are all interchangeable. Install the lower legs so that they point outwards to the sides of the stand. Do not install with the legs pointing to the inside. Insert a carriage bolt through the hole. Twist the lower leg as needed to align the holes. You can install the bolts from either side. Make sure the square shoulders on the bolts are fully inserted and mated to the matching square holes in the upper legs. Thread a lock nut onto the bolt and then hand tighten. Repeat for the other hole. Now tighten both lock nuts. Seat them snugly against the tube, but do not over-tighten. Repeat this process for the remaining legs. One of the upper legs has a slot for adjusting the stand to uneven floors. Keep this leg loose, only tightening with your fingers until the saw is placed on the stand. Check the lower legs to make sure the connections are solid. Now open the stand and place on a solid and level surface. The stand is fully open when the center cross brackets will not allow the stand to open any farther. Be aware of the pinch points where the cross brackets contact the tubes. Make sure there is nothing loose sitting on the saw. Make sure the cord is wound and out of the way. Grip the table on the right side of the saw and the handle on the left. Using proper lifting technique, lift the saw and place the lower frame rails in the mounting cradles. If the saw is more than you are able to safely lift, please find someone to assist you. Fully close the clamps. The clamps are locked when they snap over the rail. The front of the saw must face the front of the stand. That is, the front frame rail mates with the two mounting cradles on the front of the stand. The saw will not mount with the back of the saw at the front of the stand. Adjust and rotate the adjustable leg until all four legs are in contact with the ground. The saw is now ready to use on the stand. That's it. You have learned how to assemble and use the optional stand for your SawTop compact table saw. If you still need to purchase the stand, check your dealer or find it at SawStop.com. If you have questions, contact SawStop Service.